Hello, welcome. Question number 36. We are to simplify 3 root 45 minus 3 the root of 5 plus 16 the root of 20. In simplifying set, we simplify them by reducing the terms under the bracket, under the root, to two products, a perfect square and a non-perfect square. If you look at 45, we have a factor of 9 and 5, where 9 is a perfect square. If you look at 20, a factor of 5 and 4, where 4 is a perfect square. So right away, I have my 3 with the root of 9 times 5, 3 root 5, 16 the root of 4 times 5. We split the root on them. So this is going to be root 9, which is 3. 3 times 3, 9, leaving root 5. Then 3 root 5 plus root of 4, 2. 2 times 16, 32, leaving root 5. So since we are having like said, we pick only the coefficient as, or we can just say we factorize. We factorize the root of 5 out. When we take it out, you will be left with that. This is going to be 6. 6 plus this will be 38, the root of 5. Let's compare the options and see. That is going to be the option A. Alright, thanks for watching. Come back for more.